What's up, YouTube, man? Oodie Oo back in with another video. You know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't subscribed, and you know, hit that like button too. You know what I'm saying? Because by the title, I'm pretty sure you guys know that we're gonna be doing some breast cancer awareness theme on the 836. You know what I'm saying? Had it, have it, and has passed from it. So, and every time like I was as a kid, like I always liked it, like kind of like supporting, you know, when I used to play football, you know, supporting the breast cancer awareness, wearing the pink and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So basically I just picked up this vinyl right here from freaking this vinyl place that Juan sent me to, where he gets his vinyl for his decal. Get up, and now we're about to head back to Juan, and once he gets off, we should be, by the time I get back, he should be off. So basically cook up something to throw on the 836, you know what I'm saying, to support this breast cancer awareness month. Stay tuned for the video, guys. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share it, you know what I'm saying? All right, get on with it.
Hey Sean, you a genius, nigga.
The first one cut out, the template. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see how it looks over here. Let's see one, like, test fit it. Does that make sense? Oh yeah, that's perfect. Probably like,
a little bit more.
I was thinking like this, more like this way. Oh shit. Cause this can tuck under here. Cause basically it's like, I kind of want to, like, the idea I want it is like about this. Oh wait.
Whoa, that might work.
Oh yeah, that'll work.
Because we got this. We can even move it up like this a little bit to bring it up this way. Have this part wrap under.
Yeah, that might work.
Not like that.
Let me see. That'll work. I like it. I'll do it straight through here, huh?
Start here.
Well, this is gonna be tucked into the hood, so.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut so we can start about here. Here.
Or we can do it all the way across. What you think?
Yeah, we can start here. But either way, we gotta cut this so you can still open your hood.
You're right. So maybe, so like start here, you're saying?
Yeah, I'm thinking start right here on the edge. And then bring it up all the way to here, right before it starts swooping up.
Yeah, that's our best bet right there. And then this will go, oh, has to be
About there.
that'll work.
That'll work.
So yeah, right there.
I'll hold it.
All right, yeah, handles.
Another piece over here to cover this.
All right, man, it's the next day. You know what I'm saying? Freaking, I got dark, so basically finish it up. But here's the finished product. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man. Yeah, man, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. You know what I'm saying? Always believe in, you know, supporting a good cause or a better cause, however you want to like go about it. And hit that subscribe button, like it, comment, and you guys go do something, you know what I'm saying, extravagant, and I'm out.